Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change intelligent mode settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Now here, go to the picture mode, so click confirm now. And here, go to intelligent mode settings. So here, you can basically enable or disable the AI picture optimization. It will try and recognize, as you guys can see here, recognize the current scene and enhance the picture quality. So I would recommend enabling it. It's very cool if you're watching something on the TV and like the pictures, it looks much better, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.